Everybody's been there. Open your Chevy Colorado door and nothing. No light. Don't panic. Here's how to get that light shining again. First, check your dome light switch. It should be in the door or on position. Sometimes it gets bumped. Still nothing? Next, look at your fuse box. Find the dome or interior fuse and see if it's blown. If it is, swap it for a new fuse with the same number. If the fuse is good, try changing the bulb itself. Use a flathead screwdriver to gently pop off the dome light cover, then take out the old bulb, slide in a new one, making sure it's the right type. Still not working? It might be the door switch. These can get dirty or stuck over time. Spray a little electrical contact cleaner and press the switch a few times. If none of these steps fix it, it could be a wiring issue. At that point, it's best to call a professional, and that's it. With a few simple checks, you can brighten up your Chevy Colorado's interior fast. Thanks for watching.